Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what secrets the red planet holds? It's Mars, an enigma of our solar system, perpetually shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Its distinct reddish glow has earned it the moniker, the Red Planet. But what gives Mars its signature hue? The answer lies in its soil, or more specifically, the iron oxide or rust that permeates its surface. This rusty dust scatters sunlight in a way that gives the planet its distinctive red appearance when viewed from afar. Yet the color is but a small piece of the puzzle that is Mars. Beneath the crimson facade lies a history as old as time itself, waiting to be uncovered. A history that could potentially hold the answers to some of our most profound questions about life and existence. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, let's unravel the enigmatic past of Mars. Mars has a history as old as the solar system itself, dating back to over 4.6 billion years. Its story begins when the solar system was just a swirling cloud of dust and gas. As gravity pulled this nebula together, the Sun was born at the center, surrounded by a flat spinning disk of material. In this primordial disk, Mars began to take shape. Particles of dust and ice started to collide and clump together, a process known as accretion. Over time, these clumps grew larger, forming planetesimals. Eventually, one of these became Mars, a rocky planet about half the size of Earth. In its early days, Mars was a molten mass, heated by the decay of radioactive elements and the energy of constant collisions. As it cooled, it began to solidify, forming distinct layers. At its heart, a dense iron core developed, surrounded by a rocky mantle. Above this, a brittle crust emerged, shaped by volcanic activity and impacts from space. But Mars was not a barren world. It had an atmosphere, thinner than Earth's, primarily composed of carbon dioxide. With this atmosphere came something truly remarkable: water. Evidence suggests that rivers, lakes, and even oceans may have once existed on Mars, shaping its surface and perhaps providing the conditions necessary for life. Yet, over billions of years, Mars changed. Its molten core cooled and solidified, causing the planet's protective magnetic field to fade. Without this shield, solar winds stripped away Mars's atmosphere and its surface water evaporated into space. The once potentially vibrant world became the cold, desert planet we know today. Mars's history is a tale of transformation. From a molten mass to a world of potential, and finally to a cold, arid desert. It's a story written in the planet's rocks, its mountains, and its dried-up riverbeds. It's a story that scientists are still trying to fully understand. Thus, Mars evolved from a molten mass to the intriguing planet we see today. Now that we have a glimpse into the past of Mars, let's summarize the key points we've discussed. Our journey begins with the formation of Mars, approximately 4.5 billion years ago. This celestial body came into existence from the dust and gas swirling around our young sun. Over time, gravity drew these particles together to form the planet we now know as Mars. Mars is often referred to as the Red Planet due to its iron-rich surface. This iron, oxidizing or rusting, gives Mars its distinctive reddish hue that makes it stand out in the night sky. Gazing upon Mars, you're literally looking at a world of rust. In its early years, Mars had a much thicker atmosphere, similar to Earth's, and evidence suggests that liquid water once flowed on its surface. Imagine rivers, lakes, possibly even oceans, covering the Martian landscape. This paints a vastly different picture from the barren, desert-like world we see today. As Mars aged, its core cooled, its magnetic field faded, and its atmosphere gradually eroded away. The liquid water evaporated or retreated underground, leaving behind a thin atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide. Today, Mars is a cold and arid world with temperatures that can drop to -80 degrees Celsius. Despite these harsh conditions, Mars continues to be a focal point of space research and exploration. Several missions, like NASA's Perseverance rover and the United Arab Emirates Hope orbiter, are currently probing Mars, seeking answers about its past and potential for future human habitation. In the vast expanse of our solar system, Mars stands as a tantalizing destination and a potential stepping stone to even more distant worlds. It's a beacon of the unknown, a call to discovery, a testament to the curiosity that drives us as a species. Mars, with its ancient past and potential for future exploration, continues to captivate us, a testament to the endless wonders of our universe.